Weather Service in Spokane has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Okanagan County in northeastern Washington until 4:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:57 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located 10 miles northwest of Omak, just south of Conganelli, and moving east at 15 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Omak, Okanagan, North Omak, and Riverside. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: Okanagan, Washington.
Weather stop.